Hey, I'm Alex. I'm project manager at iLike Windows.
I love that I can walk into work with confidence, knowing that the men and women I work with are dedicated professionals, just like me. Our employees are our highest value, and it is through their dedication that we are able to create the best products. We work and produce 100% of our products in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, where the winters are bitter and the summers are sizzling hot. It is because of this that we are able to create a window that maintains the perfect level of comfort in your home at all times. Each product is handcrafted with precision and extra attention to detail, unlike anywhere else. It is our promise to always deliver small-town hospitality and international quality, because quality and satisfaction is our #1 priority.
I like my job. I like Windows.